78 Pilot, and on the third clip is it Adrian?
Yeah, we'll do it.
I'd have to adjust the air screw about half a turn for that tyre, I reckon.
Yeah, goes
Come on, you're not going to do that with this. You've got to fucking put it on first.
What ratio's the fuel for that tyre?
I'd be going 30 to 1 probably, and just
You put it on before, Les.
yeah, definitely 100 octane, or it won't.
Seat foam?
The tyre
doesn't have to
You're not
change?
going to get it in there.
Seat foam stays the same?
Yeah.
Same density, you don't need a denser seat?
Someone hold that tight wheel down, please.
I'm not getting involved.
Your fingers are in there.
How many?
How many people does it take to change a tyre? Tyres got to want to change.
Where's Ballard? He does it in 2 seconds.
Yeah, well, if you did it right
He's
in the
standing
first
behind
place.
you laughing.
Just there, put your foot back down and do it.
Here's that guy that's sniggering behind you.
This looks pretty compromising, actually.
This is what he was doing last night. Oh my gosh. My gosh.
Oh, you got it
There you go, yeah. It's going in and out now.
Get a nut and put on it.
just behind you.
Do you know what a nut is, Victor?